Good day, and welcome to Azure News, bringing you the latest updates from Microsoft Azure. Today, we're delighted to announce a significant new offering, Fabric User Data Functions, now available in public preview. This innovative feature empowers developers to write custom Python-based functions within Fabric, designed specifically for various critical data engineering scenarios. From efficient data cleaning and validation to enriching data and integrating third-party systems, User Data Functions opens up endless possibilities. Included in this preview is an enhanced portal editing experience, allowing developers not only to quickly draft and edit functions directly via their browser but also offering integrated IntelliSense from Pylons for better, faster coding. Additionally, developers can install and manage external Python libraries directly from PyPI through the intuitive library management experience. Fabric User Data Functions seamlessly connect with Fabric data sources like Fabric Warehouse, SQL Database, Lakehouse, and mirrored databases. Moreover, these new capabilities enable effortless invocation from other Fabric items including notebooks, data pipelines, Power BI reports, and even data warehouse T-SQL scripts, creating sophisticated, reusable data processing architectures. To get started, simply navigate to your admin portal, enable the User Data Functions preview, and you're ready to begin crafting your own powerful functions tailored specifically to your organization's needs. That's all from our update desk today. Stay tuned for more exciting updates from Microsoft Azure. Have a great day.